In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Tweezer Patterns indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the Tweezer Patterns signals showing directly on your chart, so you can spot potential reversals without having to search candle by candle. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any chart and any time frame will work for this. On your chart, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually near the time frame and layout options. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search and add different tools to your chart. Inside that window, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where we're going to find the Tweezer Patterns indicator. Click into the search bar so your cursor is active there, and then type the phrase Tweezer Patterns. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the list automatically. You should now see a result called Tweezer Patterns from the built-in indicators list. Make sure you select the one that clearly says it identifies Tweezer candlestick patterns. Once you see it, click on it one time. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be added to your chart. You'll notice new labels or markers appearing above or below certain candles where a Tweezer Top or Tweezer Bottom is detected. Now that the indicator is on your chart, let's adjust the settings so it looks and behaves the way you want. On your chart, move your mouse over the indicator name that appears at the top and click on the settings icon next to it. This will open the settings window for the Tweezer Patterns indicator. Inside the settings, you can usually customize things like the colors of the labels, the size of the text, and sometimes which specific pattern types you want to see. Take a moment to set colors that are easy to see against your chart background. For example, one color for bullish Tweezer bottoms and another for bearish Tweezer tops. You can also adjust visibility for different time frames if you only want these signals on higher or lower time frames. When you're happy with your adjustments, click OK or close the settings window, and your changes will be applied immediately. If you don't have TradingView Pro yet, check out the link in the description to sign up. Using that link helps support the channel and unlocks more features that make working with indicators like Tweezer Patterns smoother and more flexible. That's all you need to do. You've added the Tweezer Patterns indicator, customized it to your style, and you're ready to start using it in your analysis.